Am I live on? Am I good on YouTube now? Somebody check. Oh, I'm good now. All right. Had to verify my stuff. I feel like it's always the same 10 people. Bro, I'm telling you, dude. Yeah, Dave. That's what I was telling Daz the other day, too. Like, I want to try and get more people involved. I think this next month, what I'm planning on doing is doing, like, accountability buddies. Everybody gets, like, a partner, an accountability partner. Because that's what a lot of people need, in my opinion. Like, a lot of people need to be held accountable. You know what I mean? All right, so obviously we have relative equal highs here on NQ. Looks like ES wants to come down to this swing low here at 836. Again, it's very important to wait for confirmations out of key levels. Like, for example, this is a 1 hour OB that I have marked out and a 4 hour order block. So again, using time frame alignment, we want what? We want a 15-minute change in delivery, telling us that the market wants to switch from a sell program back to a buy program, and that we haven't got that yet. So just sitting on my hands here, really just waiting for news. I want confirmations before anything. I'm not looking to bottom tick. I'm not looking to top tick, nothing. Just waiting for confirmations as always. I'm possibly interested in a short, maybe. But again, I'd rather just wait for news. But this is a potential idea right here in this fair value gap in that order block there. That's just a potential idea. I'm not going to take this for the record. I'm just up in the air right now. This is an order block because we have those relative equal highs and then we have news at 10. So this is just an idea if anybody wants to try that out, if it can get up to there. Yo, Amas, what's up, bro? There you are. Hey, you can come up here, bro. Brother, you sleep in or what?
Yeah, what's up?
You sleep in or what?
How are you doing, bro?
Good, bro. How about you?
I'm good. Had to set up the YouTube stream, so
Oh, okay. You streaming on your channel, huh?
yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. Bro, is that your Urus in the picture?
Nah,
Oh, shit. I was about to
nah.
say.
Hopefully one day. Hopefully.
Hell yeah, man. What are you looking for today?
Right now, not gonna lie, every single morning when I come on the Silver Bullet Hour, I look at my H1 candle to tell me the narrative. So right here, I'm looking to scalp either the upwick of that H1 candle if it closes bullish, or if it sweeps the previous candle's high, then close back inside the range. I'm willing to take a quick scalp towards that downwick.
Oh, okay.
That's mainly what I'm looking for right now. Also looking at the H4 candle, we're really close to the opening price. So I mean, if we can push up, I think the upwick of that H4 candle will get taken out. So this could be potential long.
I like it. Okay, nice. That's interesting. So you use the wicks on the candles.
Yeah, absolutely.
Almost for like a bias, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Good stuff. Okay, so we're coming down to this low down here on ES, and we just tapped that 1 minute fair value gap on NQ. Did anybody take this idea? I'm looking for longs, honestly, but I mean, the low that we formed in Asia session looks a bit sus. We haven't got the confirmations for longs, in my opinion, out of the 1 hour OB and 4 hour OB. So I'm waiting for news here. Not really in a rush to take a trade, but just want to wait for 10 a.m. here. Can everybody hear Amos on the YouTube stream? Can you guys hear him? Yeah, okay, cool. All right, equal lows on ES. There we go. Yeah, yeah, Grossy. I don't like those lows. Those lows are sus, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. Let's give it a second. Amos, people are asking, can you explain a little, like, can you elaborate a little more on those wicks?
Yeah, for sure. So let's say this candle closes bearish, okay? I know that the algorithm will refer back to that low as being the low-hanging fruit low that we need to take in order to go up or down. So basically, I'm scalping a level of liquidity that is so close to what we currently are, but based on a higher time frame candle closure. So, for example, this candle, if it closes bearish, okay, I know that the down wick of that same candle is a low-hanging fruit low. So then I would wait for the next candle to create the power of three. So open high into a fair value gap or an order block. Then I would take my quick scalp into that down wick and take out my profit. So right here, let's say here on my H1 candle, because it tells me the bias in that hour, I want to look for price to close below its opening price. So right now it's currently trading below its opening price, so it's going to close bearish. If it closes like this, I want the next candle to open high into a fair value gap or into an order block. Then this is where I'm going to enter and take my 15-20 handle scalp for the day.
Gotcha. Okay, so you're just scalping, huh?
Yeah, nice, really scalping. Nice. I used to trade a higher time frame, let's say 2022 model. Mm-hmm. But in my opinion, it's such a great way to trade in a live environment. But when it comes to prop firm, I think it's hard to find consistency if you don't build a buffer with that kind of system, you know?
Yeah. Gotcha.
Especially if you trade Apex, it's really, really hard to...
Oh, yeah, definitely with that unrealized drawdown, dude.
Yeah. Do you trade, what prop firm do you trade with?
I got MFF and Top Step. I fucking fumbled the bag with the Apex because of the unrealized drawdown shit.
Yeah.
And then I also have a personal live account that I trade with.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. What you expecting from news? Honestly, right now on where we're at, I mean, we have a bullish SMT, so if that holds, I want these relative equal highs up here to get taken out on NQ because this is a nice draw in my opinion. It looks really, really nice. But for news, it depends. If we respect this OB and this fair value gap on the 15, but this thing's about to close, so we're about to disrespect that. But if we respect it, I'll be looking for a 1 minute flip. No, I just have to wait. I don't really like trying to predict news. I'd rather just wait. Again, just wait for confirmations. They're saying your keys sound like Fortnite, bro.
They do.
Alright, that idea played out. I mean, this was 30 some points. That 1 minute FEG. Where are you from, Amos? Are you in the US or no?
No, I live in Canada.
Oh, you
so
live
Montreal.
In Canada? Nice.
We speak French out here, but
yeah, I was
learning English at the time.
What indicator is that multiple higher time frames candle? It's the It is ICT HTF candles by Fadi. So if we get nice displacement here on the 1 minute, since we already swept lick, and then we have an SMT here with ES, if we can get nice displacement above this high, this will form a 1 minute breaker. And if we get that 1 minute overlap with the FVG, that'd be our unicorn. And I would take that up to here, to these relative equal highs, and also up to that, what is that, Thursday high? Yeah, Thursday high. If we get that off of that 15-minute OB. Dun, dun, dun. Patience, patience, patience. This coffee's smacking right now. How many viewers we got on YouTube? We got 90 people in here. Thoughts on that 1 minute bearish breaker? It's up here. Haven't even tapped it yet. This song is dick. Dude, I just don't want to get a copyright strike on my channel. That's why. I can't. I'll get a copyright strike, bro, if I play other music. Oh, like my production? Wouldn't I get a copyright strike though? Because it's not like my producer channel. Yeah, 10 a.m. is high impact news. Yep. What up, Trading Gunner? Will this be seek and destroy? No, it's not. It's not seek and destroy. Just waiting for news, man. What do you think about those lows, Amos? The ones, the Asia low and the low from 1 p.m. from yesterday. The relative lows.
So, yeah, I think they're gonna get taken out. To be honest, depending on if we close here. If we close here on the 5, like at 55 here, we close below this 835 low. You could see the macro running towards this sell side equity pool.
It's nice, huh? On the 15-minute chart, it looks really nice, and we got 3 relative equal lows there.
Yeah.
And then we never got confirmation out of these order blocks.
Oh, that's a hell of a sweep here.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, news is gonna be real telling. Like I said, the Asia low, guys, it, in my opinion, is a little bit sus because we didn't really use anything to sponsor this besides this 1 hour breaker that's been getting tapped all day yesterday, and the NWOG. Could be enough, but again, I like my sponsorships from like fair value gaps and order blocks. Ten more minutes on news. Do you ever get demotivated or disheartened whilst learning how to trade? Oh, yeah, bro, of course. I think everybody has. I think you get to a point where you just get tired of fucking losing. You got to switch something up. Me right now seems to work, but I just keep watching videos and videos on the WAP. 1% better every day. Yeah, man. I mean, just don't give up, bro. Honestly, as cliche as that might sound, or as corny as that sounds, it's really true. Just don't give up, bro. Just keep trying. Go for little base hits like Amos does here.
Yeah, I guess if I have one thing I can tell you is that you need to start with finding your base hit model. Find your base hit model, a model that can give you cash flow, a model that has a consistent return. Then learn how to swing it. Learn how to let runners learn when to predict where price is going to run for the high of the day and stuff, you know. So trying to aim for too big of an RR in the beginning is a mistake in my opinion, but when you're really advanced, this is definitely the best thing to do.
Oh yeah, that's great advice. I like that base hit model. It's fire.
I mean, on firms like Apex, there's just no way you make money without that.
Yeah.
Having a base hit model, literally. Or like new firms like let's say Fast Track Trading and all these firms that require a consistency rule, and there's no way.
Have you tried that firm?
No, not yet, because I'm with Top Step. Yeah, I'm with Top Step, MFF, and Apex. I have multiple accounts on them, so in the future maybe, but for now.
Wait, they're offering that new prop firm. They're offering 40 accounts, no?
Which one?
The Fast Track? Aren't they offering 40?
Nah, 20, I think.
Oh, 20?
Yeah. But I think there's another firm like this, but offering only 5. It's called Tradeify.
Okay.
It's run by Brett. I don't know if you know the guy on Twitter.
Simba?
Yeah, Brett Simba. But an account is like $600 USD.
Oh, what the hell? I don't know about influencer ran prop firms, but
Yeah.
all power to them. All right, we got news coming up here in about 4 minutes. Oh, it's instant funding too with fast track.
Yeah, you don't have to pass a prop firm challenge.
Oh, what
That's
the
the good
fuck?
thing, though.
Bro, what? How much are the
Yeah,
accounts?
and it's 400. Like, let's say 50K. It's $449, but they always give you like 45% or 55% off.
What the fuck?
And yeah, so you get instant funding, and I have multiple guys in my Discord that made some fucking bread with that.
What?
I have a guy in my Discord, he made 45K.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are they paying out though?
Oh god, they are paying out.
What the
Oh
fuck?
god. Like I was actually, I thought they were not gonna pay out. I literally told him, bro, why did you pay that much for to get funded with them? But then he got paid out.
Dude, that's crazy. Instant
Mhm.
funding. How much
Yeah.
are 150K? Do they have that?
Yeah, it's 500 and something, but like it's maximum like 350 USD for an account, 150K I think. So that's what the guy has also. Let me check.
Damn. Okay, so
Yeah, so
dude, that's
the
crazy.
20 you have a 25K at 179, but you can there's also like a 55% discount, so you subtract that. Then you have the 50K for 449. You have the 150K for 599, and you have the 300K for 799.
Oh,
But
they
the
have a
thing is,
300K. What the fuck?
yeah, but the thing is, it's a 20% consistency rule. So that means that there's just no way you don't have like a base hit system, basically. Like you need to go for 1-to-1s.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah. And the other firm I was talking to, I thought you knew, but the other firm, Tradeify, run by Brett, is the same thing. They give you instant funding.
Bro, what? That is insane. I mean, I don't really like. I did hear about him, but I didn't know it was instant funding.
But it's really cool though, because that competition brings better prices and stuff. So like Top Step, a firm like Top Step will probably lower their prices in the future because there's firms that give instant funding, and if they start getting bigger, then there's no point of going with Top Step.
Fucking A, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. I trust Top Step the most because they've been around since like 2009.
Yeah.
That's crazy though. That's insane. What firms or not firms? What platforms are they using?
They are using some weird ass platforms. They're using either some platforms that I don't know, or Quantower and Rhythmic. So that's the two that I know.
Oh, okay.
But so they don't have Ninja Trader and Tradeaway yet.
Gotcha. Okay. All right, we got news here in like 30 seconds. Damn, this idea played out nicely. Did anybody take that 1 minute fair value gap tap? Before you said it, I already had limits. Good stuff, NATO. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, we got news. We got 10 opening lower. All right, we just came down and swept all this sell side. these highs might get taken later in the day. Ooh. Oh, you guys did. Nice. Nice. Good stuff. You guys took that 1 minute fair value gap tap. Good shit. Alright, we just swept Asia low. So that fake low of day. Fake LOD. Shorted from 21.52. Damn, bro, you hit the top. Good stuff, Akima. No, I haven't took any trades yet. I'd like to see these lows get swept. Very clean relative equal lows here on NQ. Minute order block held right there. Damn, this is over 100 points off that fair value gap.
I don't know how advanced the guys in your Discord are, but for the people who are new, one tip that I always give for people who are trying to look for reversals during the session is look at the H4 candles. Okay, if you want to play reversal, make sure that you're sweeping an H4 candles low or high. And if you want to play a bullish reversal, make sure the candle that you're sweeping on the H4 closed bullish, because the liquidity is at the lows of those candles. It seems dumb, but when you look at it with this perspective, there's so many losers that you're not taking. And if you always wait for that low to get swept on the H4, that closed bullish, look at your charts, you'll see. Like if you go on your H4 chart, you can see literally on Friday, September 20th, same thing happened. Low sweep of what candle? London low. And see what it did. Of a bullish candle.
Yeah, this is nice. It closed. Yep. Nice sweep.
And also, one more quick thing. If, let's say on the day, what I like doing, if I want to play, let's say, reversal, I love to mark out my fair value gaps on the higher time frame. Okay, so let's say you mark out your H4 fair value gaps and your H1 fair value gaps. And what you want to see is price tapping the upper portion of that fair value gap without ever closing a singular handle below it. So go see on Friday, September 20th. You can go on the 2-minute chart. Okay, as soon as you tap that level, see how you have like an algorithmic confirmation that you just tap that fair value gap, then you close back inside the range. The only thing you need after that is wait for the shift, and you have it. This happens on every time frame. So use the H1, the H4, and the daily fair value gaps to have those kind of opportunities. But these are the best.
Yeah.
When you tap the upper portion and you just cannot close even one handle below it.
Yeah, very nice perspective, bro. Good shit.
Yeah.
I like that. Were you talking about what fair value gap were you talking about on Friday? The one down here on at
Yeah, so I'm talking about the
Wednesday.
fair value gap. Yeah, on created on Wednesday. So you see, why is this a high probability fair value gap on the H4? Is because you're tapping a fair value gap basically inside an order block, but the low that you're sweeping when you're entering the gap is the London low of a bullish candle. So if the London candle closed bullish, it means that all the liquidity is sitting at the lows because the candle opened low, high, and closed.
Good stuff, bro. I love that. Yeah, need that in a video.
Dropping soon.
Yeah, yeah.
But all of those things are things that you will discover by backtesting. You know, if you guys truly want to make money with this craft, I mean, you can definitely make it if you backtest.
That's what I tell them all the time, man. It's like repetition is like the key to this stuff.
Yeah. So Nato, you said, what was the first thing you said about Wix? So I actually need to share my screen so you can know what I mean. But is there where I can share my screen or no?
Oh yeah. Here, let me stop streaming in the Discord and you can share it.
Real quick. Show you something, guess. So let's say you're on the hourly chart. So you have this buy side liquidity pool that you're drawing towards, and you just closed bullish on that hourly candle. Okay, so this high here is an easy ass target. Okay, you're drawing towards this buy side liquidity pool, and you closed bullish on that hourly candle. So what do you want to see is price open right here, and you just basically want the power of 3 to happen. You want the next few candles on the hourly candle to push down, tap you in some sort of fair value gap and order block right here, and this is going to be your high probability fair value gap or order block for the day for a quick scalp towards this high. Okay, it's like when you're going to open here, you're just straight going to shoot up here, and you're going to take out your profits. That's what I mean.
That's nice. Nice little low-hanging fruit objective.
Yeah. So like, let's say I go on a 2 hour here. Same thing for here, you know. So I know this was gonna get taken out. You want open, high, low. See? Open, high, then distributes the resistance.
Oh, okay. So you're looking at how the candle closed, and then you're looking for an open high to take it down to this objective.
Absolutely. A lot of you guys will trade into that previous candle's range here, and it will work, but it will work with narrative, you know, rather than a scalp. If you always try to target the opposite range of that previous candle you swept the high from, sometimes you will get stopped as soon as you tap that internal fair value gap.
Dude, that's a really nice base hit like type of strategy right there.
Yeah, for sure.
If anybody's trading Apex, that would work really, really well.
My chart is stuck, it says. I'll let you share your screen.
All right, but let's see. So now that all the sell side's been taken, I want to see if we got anything here on the 1 hour. Let's see if we get a potential entry model for a reversal up here. I like those relative equal highs that NQ left though from the morning. These highs look really clean. Now that we've took all this sell side out, we've created a new low of day on the daily candle. This looks really good. Might take a bit more though. A bit longer, I mean. Hey Amos, what do you think of what do you think of ICT winning the Robbins Cup?
And I don't know, man. Like, this guy's actually a crazy marketer, bro.
It's
He's
insane, right?
yeah, really good marketer. But I mean, do you think he knows how to trade, or he's just a good teacher but
Bro,
don't really know what he's doing?
honestly, I don't know. He says he has 30 years. I mean, fuck. I mean, if somebody has 30 years in the industry, I would expect him to be a really good teacher.
Yeah.
But damn, I don't know, bro. To be honest, I don't know. He's never traded live, huh? Like in front of like, I mean, he has, right? All respect to ICT, but the whole Robbins thing is crazy. I don't know. He's been saying that for like years. That how he's gonna win, how he's gonna do 11,000%. Yeah, I mean, sometimes the coaches can't play for real.
I mean, his concept worked, but
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure.
but let's say like there's say soccer coaches or football coaches that are super good at coaching, but they were absolutely ass at playing the sport. So, do you think you need to be a good trader in order to teach? Or
Nah, I mean, just the knowledge, bro. I mean, I know people that are like really good trader or really good teachers, but they suck at trading.
but do you think it's because they don't have an edge, or it's because of their psychology?
It's because of the psychology, bro. They can't discipline themselves. Wait, what happened, Dabs? Did you go over your consistency rule? How often do you go live, Johnny? I don't really go live on YouTube as much. Dude, the last time I went live on YouTube was like in February. I'm always live in the Discord, but I don't really do lives on YouTube. I should start doing like a live a week or something. I want to see if we can get the structure to build a breaker. I have a free trial if you guys want to try it out. It's a 5-day free trial. If you guys want to pull up, you guys pull up, try it out, see if you guys like it. You don't think NQ can go for previous day low? Yeah, bro. I have it marked out right here. Just in case it does want to go down there. to see how this 15 closes. So, Amas, so since this 15 closed bearish here, right? You'd be looking at the low of that 15-minute candle for a low-hanging fruit objective.
Since it swept the sell side liquidity, super big sell side liquidity, this would be poor short.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But let's say you could have done that after the 9:30 candle closed.
Okay,
sure.
yeah. Time is it? 10:15. I'm gonna try out your free tryout next week, but will you trade next Friday? Yeah, bro. Is it NFP next Friday? Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, it is? Oh, damn. It's already October next week? It's insane. Dude, where is the time gone? Fucking A. Dabs. Okay, Dabs. Explain to me what that is. You looking for a sweep of Monday's high or low? To target the other extreme? Okay, so what happens if, I mean, we already hit Monday's high. Nah, you don't need to buy extra market data at Top Step, bro. Honestly, I feel like that's a scam, bro. I don't know. You don't need it. It's something. I don't know what it is. I've never bought it. But they always offer it when you buy an account. You don't need it, though. For TradingView, you do need it. You need to get the CME data because that's for the live markets. But for Top Step, you don't need it. Scalp something. You taking anything, Moss?
No. So let's say this 30-minute candle closes bearish, then it breaks below the 10:03 low, then you can expect this order block to hold towards the downwick of that M30 candle.
Okay. I mean, it looks like it wants previous day low. I'm not gonna lie, at least on the 5-minute.
Yeah. Well, like doing also for narrative is looking at my daily candle, how it's currently printing. So let's say we're after 9:30, so we're at like 10 right now. It's 10:20, and I know that we swept the previous daily high, and we're closing back inside the range bearish, below the opening price. And if I know that 9:30 is the Judas swing, then I can probably say that this candle will keep fluctuating to the downside and go for that low-hanging fruit low, which is Monday's low.
Nice. Okay. You know, I've been noticing for the past couple weeks now, we usually always deliver to an objective during the top of the hour macros.
Absolutely.
Always just have to wait for that, to be honest. And then like before the top of the hour macros, we're usually just consolidating a little bit.
Yeah.
Curious to see how 11 prints. What is under this low here? Daily candles. Took 2 W's in London, done actually, but too addicted. Bro, lock yourself out. Lock yourself out, bro. If you took 2 W's in London session, there's no reason to even trade. I want to see how we react off of this previous day low, and then from there we could evaluate what we want to do next. Nice, good stuff. AX3, good shit. Did anybody hold the trade from this 1 minute fair value gap up here at 939? I held to Asia low. Nice, good stuff, NATO. That was a really fat trade. That was over 100 points. Love your playgroup music. It's just a playlist on YouTube. A lo-fi playlist. $104 points from that fair value gap. Good stuff, NATO. Only reason I didn't want to take that is because those highs up there that formed. That was clean. 15-minute order block held. Change in delivery on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm looking for a possible reversal. Chavez. If I don't get anything that after like 11:30, I'll just watch the PM session. See if we get anything there. I like these relative equal highs that NQ left. They're really clean. That could be a PM objective. Will you go live? Will you go live if no trade in this session? What do you mean, bro? You don't care so much about YM anymore? Nah, I don't really. I'm not really. I mean, I have it right here on the chart, but I don't really watch it like that no more. I noticed that it was giving a lot of false like SMTs.
Yo, Johnny, would you say that you're more of a discretionary trader, or you
Yes.
have
Yes,
okay.
yes. But I prioritize like the unicorn model and stuff like that. That's the model I prioritize over like other ones, just off of like sometimes I'll be entering off OBs. But I like prioritizing like the unicorn, in my opinion, bro, is probably one of the best entry models.
Definitely the best.
Yeah, I don't really use
Definitely
like inverse fair value gaps or anything like that. But I like order block entries too. If I get
order
like
blocks and breakers are my favorite for sure. Because inversions, you're basically scalping such a small move.
Bro, see, that's what I tell everybody. I'm like, bro, I don't know how people trade inverse. I don't know how I don't know how you're comfortable with like buying the top, you know?
Yeah, you're too late into a move.
Exactly.
And also, if you go and backtest, that's one thing. If you go and backtest inversions in 2012, and I did, you guys would get literally smoked every single day because of the volume. When the volume is low, you're rejecting highs, and the order blocks tend to hold. You tend to do like to make equal highs and pull back. So in a high volatile market, as soon as you go close to a high, you just pop it. But when you're like in a low volatility market, then you just create equal highs and just try to play inversions. Let's say on gold or
oh my goodness,
on euro, you would get cooked. And just knowing this, I mean, it's probably an edge. It has an edge with NQ, but with any other currency, it doesn't.
I mean, like over here, right? Like, I don't know if this is a good inversion. I would assume it is, like on the 1 minute here, because we swept all that sell side. But you get an inversion right here on this fair value gap, like, right? You get an inversion right there once this candle closes. So you're pretty much buying the top right here and then scalping for like, like, nah, bro, that's crazy. And it didn't even hit that high. Or it did, but dude, that's a negative R. I don't know. I don't like inversions in my opinion, but
I think the ones that people go for are more like the inversion that we see right now. So the
like this one,
1022, 1022 candle. Let's say like if you have a singular fair value gap that created the sweep, then it goes and fills, let's say, a fair value gap on the lower time frame. Then it closes above. So the high, so 20011, then they go long. But in my opinion, it's like there's no way it actually. It's really hard to be good with that edge. I mean, it's one loser could eat you. So
yeah, man. I don't know. I really like playing off of like what I like doing. Like my main thing with trading is like I like looking for the higher time frame buy side and sell side objectives. Like for example, right, we have two relative equal highs here on the 5 minute. It's very clean, right? 5 minute and 15. So what I'll do is I'll wait for my entry model on the 5 minute or 15 minute, and then I'll aim for that. Like I'll use a lower time frame entry model, like an OB, a unicorn model, and then I'll target the higher time frame buy side or sell side. And that, I mean, it maximizes my reward while minimizing my risk because I'm entering on the lower time frames.
And what size do you use for that?
Usually like 1 to 2 minis.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, each all power to you if you can use the IFEG. I just don't like it. That's just me though. Just my opinion. I've seen people be good with it, like Desi. He's good with it. Dodgy, he's good with it. I mean, it works, but I personally just don't like it. So, all right. So IFEG experts in the chat right now. So you'd be looking at this one to be inversed, and then you enter, and what would you target? You target this high right here. That's it.
So they would target the internal high. So the high
10-12, right?
of the 1021 candle, they would go break even. And they would probably let it ride for 1012. But they have to go break even at the first high.
Okay, so somebody saying this one wouldn't be used for an inverse for value gap, and other people are saying yes.
No, that's cap. It's you
this
can
is
use
what
it.
I'm saying, bro. Nobody even
No,
knows.
You can use it because, like, the only thing, like, you could say that you cannot use it because there's a sell side liquidity pool below you. Okay, I hear, but let's say, like, mechanically talking, this gap is what you're looking for, basically, at the bottom of a range.
Okay. Settings for the 930 open, etc. This is the ICT everything indicator. So I'll just open up my settings real quick if you want to screenshot that, John. Just you can screenshot this. You can play back the recording or whatever. I'll just quickly go through this. There you go. Would you recommend just using daily profiles and drawing liquidity for the unicorn, or do we have to use CRT with the unicorn? You can use all of that with the unicorn. I like daily profiles because, in my opinion, daily profiles, it uses just sound logic. Like, it's just really logic with it, because you look at what Asia and London do in New York session. Because, like, in the morning, I was like, okay, well, London or Asia session didn't really use anything because this is the low of day, right, of the daily candle before all this happened. So if you're looking here on the 15-minute, I mean, what PD array did it use without looking at new week opening gaps? Just get rid of that. What PD array did it use to sponsor this move higher to go sweep liquidity? So right then and there, I'm already a bit sus. And then London reversed after sweeping that, and there's an SMT with ES. So it just makes it a bit sus, just a little sus. That's why I like using daily profiles, because it just combines, like, it just uses logic, like logically thinking, what did Asia use to push this all the way up to here? And if there's nothing, well, then that's most likely your fake low of day. And then you just got to find, you know, an entry model in the lower time frames to target that.
Johnny, what do you think is the biggest mistake that beginner traders do?
Biggest mistake, I feel like, is strategy hopping.
Strategy hopping. Okay.
Yeah, like they'll see the new shiny thing, like shiny object syndrome. They'll be like, oh, this dude's using unicorn. Oh, this dude's using CRT. Oh, this dude's using IFEGs. And then they don't focus on one, master one, and they're like trying everything out. They're trying to be a discretionary trader in the beginning, when it should be like you should master one model and then move on to the next one. Just build up your arsenal.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I did, and it's worked out for me. But yeah, also not following a set of rules is a big one. But in my opinion, that's what fucked me up. That's what delayed my progress, is strategy hopping. Just going to one strategy to another without mastering one and getting profitable with one. But yeah, man, that's what I feel like one of the bigger mistakes for a beginner is. What about you?
Damn. To be honest, I would say that most people think that they have a real edge, but in fact they just don't have one. You know, like, most people will, let's say, look at a video on YouTube and think that what the guy is saying is 100% accurate without going back and back testing it and seeing the reason why it failed there, the reason why it worked there, the reason why it went all the way to that previous daily high here. You know, it's people think that the mistake that they're making are based on their psychology and stuff, when in fact a lot of them just don't have the skill yet.
Yeah,
that's my opinion.
I agree. Oh, and what Dabs just said right here, they start learning entry models before learning the higher time frame
that is
narrative and profiles.
Absolutely.
Yeah, bro.
Like
my bad,
a
bro,
beginner will always try to, let's say, like, first thing a beginner will learn when he trades ICT is he will learn the silver bullet. And every single time there's a 1 minute liquidity sweep and a fair value gap, he will enter, and he will never see success like that, you know. But trying to master a entry model will never get you nowhere. You need to understand why the price is reversing at this exact time, price level.
Exactly.
And time is such a big aspect, guys. Like, there's a reason why it's on the X. You have time on the X and price on the Y axis.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Everything happens at a certain time, and there's increase in volatility at certain times. So you want to engage in a move when you know volatility is going to come.
Exactly. Just signed up. What did you sign up for? So in order, what concepts to learn for a newbie? In my opinion, I'd learn like daily profiles, higher time frame narrative, drawing liquidity. Really just forming a narrative and framework from the higher time frames, and then learning the entry model, and then learning time, right? What times, what important key times throughout the day, and then learning an entry model. Like, look, for example, right? Previous day low, I bet you guys anything that this gets taken during the 1050, 1110 macro. We're coming up on it here in about 10 minutes. NATO, you have to sign up for that? I was always wondering why I never got that. Why I never got the hat.
Yeah, I signed up for that shit literally 1 month ago. Did not even receive it yet.
Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna sign up for it. Currently using daily profiles for price, but I don't have a defined entry model. My entries are based on the tap into a 5 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, stick to one entry model, bro. I'd recommend the unicorn because the unicorn gives you all the confirmations needed. I think it's the best one for beginners, in my opinion. I think unicorn model is the best entry model for beginners, even intermediate people.
One mistake that a beginner trader will make is that he's stuck to the 1 minute chart.
Yes.
Get the fuck out of the 1 minute chart.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like, bro.
Facts.
Because you see so many opportunities that are not even there yet.
Not me being on the 1 minute chart right now. Fuck. Over here chilling.
But you see, Johnny, that 30-minute candle closed bearish. You see?
Oh yeah.
Then you opened high on that candle into that gap when you saw that you were respecting perfectly that bearish value gap on the 1 minute chart. Then that could be a short, quick scalp here.
That's nice, bro. I actually like that a lot. It's fire.
Yeah.
You do not understand 1 minute power. Look, bro, I am a big advocate of trading on the 5 minute and higher, but I don't dismiss the 1 minute. There's a time and a place for the 1 minute. I'm not gonna lie. Like, The 1 minute isn't useless. I'm not saying that. There's a time and a place for it though. Like for example, a 15-minute POI tab, I'd go to the 1 minute to look for confirmations out of that. And then I would aim for my 15-minute sell side or buy side. I'm not saying the 1 minute's useless. I just don't like being on the 1 minute all the time because it does sometimes mess up your bias because it's giving you false signals sometimes, like false things that, you know, can mess up a new trader. All right, there we go. Previous day sweep. So we got a pretty big SMT with ES right here. See how this 1 hour closes going into 11 o'clock. Nice, Peter. Nice sweep at 1040. Dude, let's see what happens here. This macro is going to be interesting. London low from yesterday, it got hit. Yeah, nice. Nice call out, man. All right, nice soup here into previous day low. I want to see this start turning around. All right, there might be a trade brewing right here. Yeah, it's a perfect sweep. I like the reaction off of it. I like the soup here at 1040. Want to see how these next 15 minutes play out. And then if 11 opens, like if this starts displacing to the upside here in the macro and 11 opens lower into a bullish PD array, this would be very nice. This would be very nice. I'm not going to lie. This would be super nice. We're forming a 1 minute breaker here. This could even be an entry, possibly. Where's 1800 opening? Here. Yeah, we did. 15-minute double tap of an OB. Yeah, nice. like a 4-hour FPG as well, right? Yep. This is looking nice, dude. This is looking fire right here. If this closes like this, we'll get our order block, our potential 5-minute breaker, and I'd set a limit here, low right there, target these highs. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. I like that we formed a breaker here on the 1 minute. I like this little breaker.
I could start running from there.
Yeah, that lines up with
I
the
love
that 5-minute OB.
I love the reaction from the previous daily low.
Yeah, it's looking good.
You see how we just wicked it on the 1 minute chart too.
Yeah, it's looking really good, to be honest. This 5-minute closes like this, I'll set a limit in this order block. With that 1 minute breaker as well. Yeah, if the daily low hasn't been taken on your chart, you probably have you probably have the wrong chart on. All right, nice. Something like this would be fire. Pretty much what I'm aiming for. We can come back down and tap this at 11 a.m. If 11 a.m. opens lower into this area, smacking this here all the way. Put the stop, probably put the stop down here. Break even spot would obviously be, you know, after this high gets taken, which it looks like it might get taken right now. Did we ever get a tap of the 1 minute? No, we didn't, huh? nice and calm vibes here, bro. That's how it is here. That's how we do it. Oh, there's the buy side taken right there. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Nice, Luke. Turtle soup to low right there. Good shit. Yeah, betting on those equal highs up here to get taken in PM session or during even lunch possibly. That's my target up here, are these objectives. I want to see, again, I want to see if 11 opens lower into this area down here. Because this is 1050 opening higher up into this internal buy side. $2,300 in the day, gonna request a payout later. Let's fucking go, bro. Good shit, Simps. Good stuff. How do you know it is a soup? We have a wick and not a body closure below it, and we just souped the previous day low. So nice wick, nice reaction. Very, very nice stuff here. I stream most of the days, yeah, but it's in the Discord, not on YouTube. 15-minute looks really nice too for upside. Johnny, do you think ES looks cleaner with CISD and BB on the 5-minute? I think NQ is the cleaner one, in my opinion. Yeah, there is. It's code bullish for 15% off. But there's a free trial, so if you guys want to come in, try it out, see if you guys like it. Just sign up with this one, code bullish for 15%. Again, there's a free trial. You guys can pop in here, see if you like it. If not, it's all good. No hard feelings.
Yo, Johnny.
Yo.
Do you still talk to Justin?
Yeah, bro.
So what did he decide to do with the group?
Which one?
So his previous group, he had like tactical traders, but did he stop doing that? And
honestly, I have no clue, bro. I haven't really asked him about it. I just know that the dude that was in there, I guess the guy that was taking care of it, I guess he just left out of nowhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he just left. I don't know what happened, but that's what Justin told me. He said that the dude that was in there taking care of the Discord, like the other analyst, because obviously I left before him, but like a few months later, he just left out of nowhere. He didn't tell him anything, so that's what he told me.
DJ?
Yeah, DJ. He just left, bro. Left and started his own thing, like out of nowhere, I guess. So I was like, damn. Could have at least, gave a 2-week notice or some shit, Like, damn, bro. How you just gonna just leave out of nowhere just one day, It's crazy. Yeah, but I don't know what he's doing with the group now. I think he's trying to find somebody to run it for him.
Okay.
I could be wrong though.
But right now, he's not trading inside of that Discord.
Which one? The tactical traders one?
Yeah.
Oh, he's not? I thought he was.
Okay, he is? Because I thought he... Because what people said was that he has a private mentorship group, and this is where he does live trading.
Yeah,
and not on the 150.
Yeah, he has
subscriptions.
he has a whole other mentorship group. I thought he was trading still in the other one too, but I guess not.
No, I don't think so.
Well, fuck. All right. Again, I want to see if 11 opens lower into here, but now we're running away far from this.
Yeah.
The 1 minute didn't even get the top of the breaker there. Once we closed above that, we just ran. Yeah, we're in a rush. I think we just rush up to these highs up here.
The bias was clear, but no entries. That's tough.
Yeah. I would consider the 1031 to be the breaker because this was the last up close candle of this little leg that price swept liquidity. You could consider this one too a breaker. Would you consider this one a breaker too, Hamas? I mean, I would consider these two breakers.
Yeah. So I would take the first one, yeah.
This one or this one?
The small, yeah, this one. Yeah. But there's some people who say like, oh, you need to close below the low in order to create that bearish order block and then disrespect it. But I mean, since you wick the low, it's literally better even. You have candle closures on the 1 minute, but the wicks on the 5 is still
it's telling.
Yeah.
Nice little soup. Yeah, this macro's pushing price up.
Yeah, 50 to, let's say 50 to 10. So last 10 and first 10 of the hour, that shit is deadly. If you have a sweep at like just before that, it's just the continuation of that H1 candle.
Yep. Damn. Okay. Damn. Look at the H1.
Yeah, that wick is fat.
Damn. Okay, 11 a.m.'s opening here. All right, this 4-hour candle is going to be very interesting when it closes. I'm curious to see whether or not, because we did close above the internal buy side. We're pretty much disrespecting the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I'm wondering if we get a reaction at the 15-minute CISD here, or man, I'd like to see a retracement back down into this area right here. At least into one of these fair value gaps. Isn't this the first daily profile? Yeah, this was in Asia Judas, because the low of day was in Asia, and New York reversal. I want to see 11 just take its time to grind down slower into like somewhere in these PD areas, and then look for an entry there. again, these highs are really, really clean. I would like to see this get up to there and possibly even Thursday's high after that. Good stuff. Raymond's killing it with the unicorns, dude. Not gonna lie, distribution candle, so might not even open low. That's what I'm afraid of. If 11 is gonna be a distribution candle to the upside, I mean, doesn't even have to come all the way down here. This is pretty far. I don't know. This order block down here is pretty far now.
I mean, it could pull back to that big 5-minute breaker, but
yeah, this fair value gap here, pretty much.
But just by looking at that 30-minute candle, how strong it displaced up after the previous daily low sweep.
Yeah,
it looks strong.
I don't think price is gonna slow down until 11:10 once that macro's over.
So what do you do if you don't find any trades during the AM?
I don't do shit, bro. I just wait till lunch or PM session. See if I get
PM,
something.
trade PM.
Yeah. I'll come back, like, usually right now is my cutoff time, like 11:30ish. If I don't get anything there, I'll, like, take a break for, like, an hour. Come back around 12:30, start looking, see if I see anything. Because usually, like, lunchtime, like 12:31 is where you get, like, continuations or reversals.
Yeah.
That's where I'll start looking to see if I like something. If I do, then I'll smack it. If not, then I just skip over the day. Like, if I, like, obviously here we're missing this trade. So if we don't get anything and then this delivers up to all this buy side liquidity that we've been looking at, and then, you know, there's nothing there to take. I mean, no point in chasing or anything.
Yeah. I mean, I like your approach when you basically look for higher time frame liquidity pools that can lead to reversal. You look for engineered buy side, like equal highs or low resistance liquidity, and you stab it on the 5-minute breaker.
Yeah, that's it,
That's
bro.
pretty,
5-minute OB, 5-minute breaker. Sometimes even on the 1 minute if it aligns like with the 15-minute POI.
Yeah.
But that's pretty much it, bro. It's what keeps me more patient, more calm, instead of just being on the 1 minute all day.
Yeah, I feel you, bro.
It's less stress I mean, at least for me it is. It's like less like pressure, less stress, less trades, which is like the most important thing for me, at least.
Yeah, that's super important for sure.
Yeah, I think we don't slow down until 11:10. It looks like we're already kind of just chilling around here. We got that fair value gap fill in the 5-minute. One minute has just been a very slow grind up. Let's pop up this new week opening gap indicator. Damn, Agroshi. Look at this. Look at this. Top of the CE of that NWOG where the previous daily low was. That's crazy. Clean. Very clean. He said almost got a hard on. EMA, bro. Do you use EMAs? Amos? This is my homie. Shout out Playbit. This is his EMA. It's pretty fire, bro, for crypto. You just reclaim it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't use it for like day trading, but like for crypto, I do. It's pretty nice.
Do you use the opening range gap?
Nah, not really. The stuff that ICT is teaching right now, right?
Yeah, so like the gap.
This one?
So like the closing price at 4:15 and the opening price at 9:30.
Yeah, nah, I don't really use that. I'll look at it sometimes, to be fair. Like, I'll just be like, oh, okay, we might have to fill that, but besides that, I don't really use it like that. So like I said, bro, just really looking at daily profiles, what Asia and London did, and then just going from there.
Yeah.
Looking for key levels and stuff like that. Looking for displacement towards one draw liquidity, whether that be sell side or buy side, and then I just go from there. Start working from there.
Yeah, I like it.
For now, today's PA looks a lot like September 20th, Friday. PA, take a look at it. Oh yeah, man, we could definitely get, I mean, if we get a lunchtime retracement, I'm expecting a PM continuation type of move. That'd be cool if we do get that. Like if 11 just grinds up like this and then 12 kind of rolls over going into like 1 and 2, that would be fire. That would be really, really nice. Like if we left this buy side, started consolidating here, and then 12 kind of just rolls back down and then push up, that'd be really fire.
My old mentor literally trades exactly like you, but he's using order flow to enter. And the mistake that most people make when they try to, let's say, enter on those type of structure after previous daily low sweep is that they tend to cut their trade out too quick. You need to let that shit ride, because those kind of trades, you're basically you're in the manipulation of that candle, and you need to let that hourly candle distribute all the way to the close.
Yep.
And once it closes and sweeps your buy side liquidity, then you get out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bro. Sometimes I'll be closing a bit too early just because I like the gains.
Yeah, for sure.
And I've been using micros as of lately because when I used to take just one mini, I couldn't trim. So it's like, you know, you can't trim with one mini. So I like
micros are great.
Yeah. Top Step house account went with 30 contracts, lost 40K. That's crazy, bro. What the fuck? What'd they take? They took shorts down here or what?
Yo, their house account should be illegal, bro. Like the live. Oh my god.
Their daily loss limit is 50K. Well, fuck, they're 10K away from locking that out.
Yeah, what do you think about the guy who won? Who got a payout of 1.8 million?
Dude, that's crazy, bro. That's insane. Honestly, fucking, that's Kane, right? Trader Kane.
Yeah.
Dude, that's insane. That's fucking crazy. I want to do that too. I want to try and really just dedicate myself to doing something like that. Something really crazy like that. But it's just fucking, I seen Apex sending emails out to people.
That's the thing, though, you know?
Yeah, dude, it's like, fuck. Do I really want to waste my time and risk not getting paid out that? You know what I mean? After somebody just did that. But apparently, I don't know. I seen the video that the CEO put out. I guess everything's good. They're just, it's a bunch of BS. I don't know. We'll have to see though. I don't know. Apex is I don't know, bro. They're kind of sketchy to me, dude.
And I feel you, bro. I feel the same way. Every time I request a payout, I'm literally shaking.
Dude, see, I don't want to get, man. I don't know. That's crazy, bro. Apex is weird. Their website is so shit too.
Y'all remember, like 1 year ago, their website, what the fuck was that? Like they upgraded it right now, but oh my god, it looked like an e-com, 14-year-old that made e-com, bro.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. I don't know. It's like, how are they the biggest futures firm or claiming to be, and they don't have a really clean website? Like, I think that would come first, right? That would come first in a business. Is like, if you're claiming to be number one in the futures industry, like at least have a really nice website. It's just dumb. Like when you're buying accounts, you can't. Like you have to do it in separate tabs. You know what I mean? Like you have to repeat that process over and over again.
Mm.
It's like, bro, why can't you just have like a quantity thing and just add all the accounts that you want in a cart and then buy it? I don't know.
The best prop firm for that, like the best site and stuff is I think is My Funded Futures.
Yeah, it's clean.
Their website, they have the certificate in a tab. They have the amount of payouts you got. That's really clean.
It's super clean. It's probably the best dashboard.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't think this... I don't know, man. I hope it gives us an entry, but I'm getting close to my cutoff time. 11:30.
Yeah, 11:30.
This thing seems like it's in a rush.
Yeah.
Somebody just entered scalps for sure. Dude, I don't know. All right, Luke, sounds good, bro. $600 today off 2 micros, off buying the bottom right here. Good stuff, Luke. You killed it, bro. Lock out, dude. What did Top Step take? Did they take shorts at the bottom or what? People in the YouTube chat are saying that Top Step's almost down 50K.
Yo, who's trading on that?
They shorted previous day low sweep. They shorted the bottom down here, bro. They bottom ticked that. Bro,
I'm
what
dead,
the
bro.
fuck? 43K, bro.
Yeah, I'm fucking dead.
Dude, no, they have to be doing this shit on purpose, bro. For real, that's
I
crazy.
swear to God, this is what I was gonna.
Nah, dude.
Like, there's no way.
Yeah, bro. How many viewers do they have on YouTube usually? Like 5K, no?
Yeah, something like this.
Dude, imagine all those people spending $100 or $50 to $150. 5K people.
Minimum. Yeah.
All just blowing their accounts off that. That's such a conflict of interest, in my opinion. Like a prop firm.
I swear this is not right.
Dude, yeah, I feel
especially if they lose this is not right.
Dude, yeah, like I don't know, bro. I don't know, like if they have like ill intentions behind doing Top Step TV, like when they made it or what, but they should at least be giving fire drills out for that shit, bro. For real.
I swear, yeah.
They haven't gave a fire drill in a minute, for real. OP business strategy, for real. I don't know. Although they don't trade ICT concepts whatsoever. They do retail trading. I think they do like breakouts and stuff. So I don't know, man. Hey, can somebody help out this guy, Cody? He said that he can only hear the music. Can somebody help him turn it down? I don't know how you guys do it. I can't see it from the perspective of a person in here. He says he doesn't hear my voice at all, just the music.
How do you put music on?
I just have another tab of YouTube open. And I just have the music playing in the background. And these guys could hear it in the audience. I think they can turn it off though. There's like a volume button.
Okay, but what do you share when you share on Discord?
I just have a tab like open on my other monitor.
Okay.
on YouTube.
Okay, so you use TradingView website.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just so used to it. I haven't used the app. I have it here, but I haven't used it. Dude, this thing is not. It's probably not gonna give an entry if it's not retracing here in a little bit.
Probably not.
If you were to enter on the 1010 breaker, where would you put your stop? Probably below these two candles, below the breaker. Another idea here to get up to that buy side, if we don't come all, no, we're probably not going to come all the way back down here, but another idea that I'm looking at potentially is looking at this 15-minute fair value gap that just formed and then watching the 1 minute to get confirmation longs out of it if we retrace back into here. That'd be an idea I'd be looking at here. If we can come down here, build some structure and pop out of it, that'd be nice. Time to hop out of that, bro. I would hold that. I would hold that up to those equal highs, Viv. Or you could take it out. I mean, yeah, do whatever you want, bro. If you like the gains, I mean, by all means. If you have to go, take it out. I gotta drive. Yeah, and just take it, bro. Dude, everybody's clowning Top Step right now. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Got my piece. Time to hit the gym. All right. Oh, thank you, Dave, for pointing that out. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, BPR right here. Balanced price range on the 15. I think it's at 9:30, bro. Do you usually trade at lunch macro? Yeah, if it gives me a setup. But it's coming to my cutoff time here in like 10 minutes. So if we don't get something here in 10 minutes, I'm just gonna hop off for the morning. Gonna go eat some breakfast and then just come back later. Hold on, I'm gonna put something in the YouTube chat here. If you guys want 5% off of my funded futures accounts, use code top floor. With no space. I'm glad the bias here was spot on though. I mean, coming down into this area, just no entries. Even on the 1 minute, I mean, where would you enter on the 1 minute? Fuck, I guess the inverse.
Yeah,
or the
light size on that breaker on the 1.
Damn, yeah, that's about it though. That's all I'm seeing.
Yeah. Could have like entered like what, 2 micros here, just to be in the move in case that would have happened.
Honestly, yeah, I'm aiming for all this buy side up here for today. So whether the entry comes in lunch or PM session, I'll alert something in the Discord. If not, you know, if this just ends up taking it all out here in the next hour, then I'm probably not going to trade for the day and just wait for tomorrow.
What I think I'm going to start doing is entering way more aggressively when we cannot close below the level I'm trying to play reverse off of.
What do you mean?
Say like, let's say like this is the previous daily low, and you cannot close on the 1 minute chart below that level, and then you shift. So like when you have this type of confirmation, it's pretty strong. Even in higher time frame gaps, like I said earlier, same thing. It's like this is probably the scenario where you need to rely on your 1 minute chart rather than your 5.
Yeah, I often say that sometimes, like when we don't have the necessary structure on like the 5 or 15, that's when you want to go to like the 1.
I love the 2 and the 3.
2 and 3 minute. Yeah, I have these right here.
Yeah,
too.
2 and 3 minute. They're so good.
My bullish bias was we took out a 15-minute swing low and created a 1 minute bullish unicorn, and that's where I entered. Nice. Hope to see you back on the live on YouTube soon. Yeah, bro. Possibly. I might do some of these more often.
Yo, look at that 2 hour candle.
2 hour? Ooh, dude, yeah. I'm very confident we take out those equal highs formed in the morning. 4 hour as well looks good. Just not giving an entry, not giving a pullback. God damn. Do YouTube streams and put the chat and subscriber. Oh, I need to do that. You're right. How do I do that actually? You are so right.
Yeah, you can stream on. Oh yeah. It would be dumb. I was like, you can stream on YouTube while streaming on Discord, but
yeah, that's what I'm
people
doing.
that are paying VIP. Now let's say like every single day.
Oh, every single. Nah, I'm not gonna do it every single day. It's too much. I don't like having like a bunch of streams open too because it makes my computer laggy.
Oh, okay.
How do I do that actually? How do I make it to where it's like you have to subscribe? Oh, subscribers. Okay, cool. Awesome. motherfuckers have to subscribe if you guys want to chat up in here. You also change the duration. Yeah, I put it to a minute once they subbed. Would the 30-minute low-hanging fruit strategy Amos mentioned work after this close? I think so, right? Wouldn't that work right there?
Yeah, you can do it for sure. Can do it, but always look at opposite Peter raise. So right there, let's say we are inside a bearish order block on the 30-minute chart also. So this could make the retracement way deeper. So let's say just by looking at the core of the model, like this is exactly where you should enter, let's say.
How often do you take trades? I usually try to minimize it to 3 to 4 a week. That's what I found to be like my sweet spot.
Is there any day you don't trade?
Usually Mondays or Fridays.
Okay.
Fridays are sometimes, like if it's clear, bro. Like I always tell that to these guys in here. Like when it's clear, and then I'll take it. But usually I don't like trading Mondays or Fridays. I call Mondays no news Mondays, especially. I call them misery Mondays. And then Fridays, I call Fridays fuckery Fridays. Because Fridays usually, they cap the weekly range. So they don't really do much, you know? Just started trading Top Step. Is there a method to passing these accounts? The method is just being good, using good risk management.
Yeah, right here is gonna pop the high.
Probably gonna take it in the macro, unless the macro wants to, this lunch macro, unless this thing wants to retrace and rebalance something rather than take the highs. That'd be really nice. But you can see it's just slowing down. After 11:10, it just started slowing down.
Yeah.
All right, boys. Well, I think I'm gonna hop off of here. It's been a pretty good stream with you, Amos. I think we need to do these a lot more often, bro.
For sure, brother. It was a pleasure.
Yeah, man, for sure. All right, guys. Well, I'll catch you guys later. If I see something in the PM session or during lunch, I will alert it in my channel here in the Discord. If anybody in the YouTube stream wants to try out the Discord, we have a 5-day free trial. You guys can find it with the link in the description. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. It was a nice stream with you, Amos, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, guys.
It was a pleasure, brother. Peace out.
Yes, later.